Hey YouTube, Xylogeist here. I wanted to talk about a few text editors that I use because people have been asking me, what do you use to write your code? Well, one that I've recently started using is Sublime Text 2. It's really nice. As you can see here, it's really easy on the eyes. I always prefer a dark background in my development environment, which this one, comes preloaded with. It's like the default background because, I guess these guys get it. Because a darker background hurts my eyes less and lets me code longer. So this is definitely my newfound favorite, I would say. It has auto completion, as you can see here, which will save you a few key presses if you learn how to use it. And it's just generally just a really good text editor. It's not free. You can use it for free, but it will nag you constantly about getting a license. So just keep that in mind. The other text editor I have used in the past year or so is this one, Aptana Studio 3. I use this in particular because it's well suited for web development, such as PHP, Ruby, that sort of thing, which I do a lot of. And it supports a lot of source control features such as stage, commit, push and pull. I can open up a Git terminal right here. And it's just generally really useful for my purposes in particular. It does support multiple themes, and I have selected a dark theme because, as I mentioned before, I love the dark themes. They save my eyes some hurt. And finally, there's Notepad++, which I think we're all familiar with, but I just want to reiterate is a fantastic text editor for any newbie starting out on coding. And it's the time-tested basic text editor. It's wonderful. It supports a lot of features. It has a lot of plugins. It's been around for a long time. Definitely get this Explorer plugin, by the way. It's really useful. And in general, this is just, this is the basic. This is where we should all start out. Notepad++. Enough said. Anyways, those are the three text editors that I tend to switch between. One other thing I'm going to throw into this video. People ask me what I use as my my test server. I use WAMP. I do run on Windows right now for my basic desktop anyways. So I had two choices, WAMP and XAMPP, and I went with WAMP. So that's just answering that question. Anyways, cheers. See you in my next video.